Hey there, I'm Eddie O'Donnell, and today we're unboxing our GAF824, our 8-quart digital air fryer from Gourmia. After washing your crisp burn basket, all we need to do is assemble it like this. Then we can slide the basket into the unit. Now we're ready to cook. To power it on, just hit that button right there. You have 5 different functions for cooking that you can access here. From air frying, to roasting, to baking, to broiling, and dehydrating. And with the food preset built in, you have an easy way to cook all your favorite foods quickly. From fries, to wings, to seafood, to veggies, and of course, bacon. And of course, you can set the machine to any temperature and time for whatever you're looking to cook. And you're set up for success with our built-in preheat setting and turn reminder that'll remind you halfway through to flip or toss your food. Flip your food! There's even a function for keeping your food warm and for reheating. So your food's ready to go whenever you are. Now I can play Candy Crush. And with the 8-quart capacity, you've got room in here to cook for you and all your friends. So now that you know how this works, it's time to get out there and get cooking. And don't forget, from Gourmia to you, have a great meal.